Today I'm taking a look at the ANPUDS 1/4" drive torque wrench. Ooh. So I really like these bits. It says that it is chrome vanadium. It has a 1/4" drive. Then on the bit itself it says it is a T40, but I really like this finish on that. That is very nice. It looks like we got a T25 up to a T40. We also have hex drivers. We got everything from a 3 to a 10. We got some sockets. We got an 8 to a 15. These are all 6-point, which is very good. We can also see that those are all drilled out on the corners, which is excellent for off-corner loading. We got 2 deep well sockets, a 14 and a 16. These are both 12-point. We got a universal joint. Always great to have one of those. This is actually a 3/8. Oh, look at that. So we got a 3/8 to 1/4" drive adapter, and we got a couple of extensions. Looks like a 6" and a 4". So the 6" is a 3/8 drive, and the 4" is a 1/4" drive, but if we really need to, we could throw that adapter on it and get a very long extension. I also really like that it's got this knurl grip right here, so if we need to, we can spin that by hand. Now the torque wrench itself has one thing I love to see, which is a white text on a black background. I find torque wrenches that are all chrome to be kind of annoying to read. This is just super easy to read. You can see we got foot-pounds on this side. On the other side we got Newton meters, and this is actually a 3/8 drive torque wrench, so we can use that with the 3/8 extension, and then if we want to use a smaller drives, we just throw the adapter on. I actually like that because 3/8 drives are just a little bit stronger. I also really like the design of this handle. It's got this almost like lightsaber look to it. It's very cool. And this is the style that I like. It's got this collar that you pull down if you want to adjust it. So right now it is locked. And if I pull that collar down, I can spin it. I also like that if I get that between 2 numbers, it is not going to lock, so I can spin that. And when that collar clicks back in place, I know I'm right where I need to be. It is reversible. Actually, it's a very nice feeling ratchet on it. And it is a push button release. So if I have one hand occupied, like I have to hold something in place, I can still attach sockets and drop them off if I need to. So that's always nice. I also just like the size of this thing. For a 3/8 drive torque wrench, this is quite compact. It goes up to 45 foot-pounds, so this is still designed for a lighter range of torque, but it's going to be higher than what you get out of most inch-pound torque wrenches. So for example, to go from foot-pounds to inch-pounds, you multiply by 12. So if we went to 10 foot-pounds, we would be at 120 inch-pounds. So really what I think this is going to be good for is going to be for like automotive work, for anything we're going to be dealing with, especially like a plastic intake manifold and an aluminum block, anything like that. This range is going to be absolutely perfect for that. And with the size, the fact that I can actually fit this in tighter areas, that's going to make this more useful than a normal foot-pound torque wrench. So I'm going to set this to 10 foot-pounds, and I want to check the torque on these mounting bolts. Cool. That has a very nice feeling click on it. Like, you cannot miss it. And this is one thing I really like to see with torque wrenches. This actually has an inspection certificate so that you know that somebody looked at this torque wrench and they actually checked it to make sure that it's good. So when the torque wrench was set at 9 foot-pounds, it got a 9, a 9.01, and an 8.99. So that is a very accurate reading. At 27 foot-pounds, it got 27.47, 27.51, 27.54. And then at 45 foot-pounds, it got 45.74, 45.78, 45.79. So that is an incredibly accurate torque wrench. So yeah, overall, I am very happy with that.